Hello, welcome to ISE 2019. This is Maris from Donview. We are the professional supplier of interactive products, and here I would like to introduce you our all-in-one interactive whiteboard. So as you can see here, this is different from the traditional interactive whiteboard. What we do is integrate it with speakers, 24-volt speakers, visualizers, central control. You can use with the ID card to lock it or unlock it, OPS on the backside, and also the Android system with Google Play. Okay, what I want to point out the most now is that our software. We have the best software in education area. So as the software, we can use easily like the hotkeys. We have 18 hotkey keys on both sides, so you can use it to writing, erasing, and drawing at the same time. So what we have for education more is that, for example, triangle, you can make it adjust the angle by yourself. Also, you can have the annotation of this one. For example, I want to draw something difficult for the education. So I can draw it easily, and I can paint the color of this one. And then I can make it move it bigger, smaller, just using your hand, okay? So with more the things of that, we have again the powerful software for the education. For example, the education here for physics, you can use it as a little experiment by using our software. Different by the traditional one. If you know how to do it, you just do it step by step, okay? And more resource here is the application. We use it, for example, chemistry is different from the traditional one. The teacher can teach the student how to use it step by step by our software. And after you can know the theory, how to do it, the teacher can let the students to make the traditional experiment. So here actually you can hear the sound also of the software. If the teacher think the most difficult part is the last one, then they can skip to the last part and then to teach the student the difficult point of this one. And we have the most important thing is the least but not the last is that this one is our Donview caster server. From this, when you scan the QR code, you can connect with your mobile or tablets with the phone to the interactive whiteboard for the interactive display. And also we have another function is here. You can mirror your phone to the touch screen. That mirror your phone is that you have your phone to throw into the interactive whiteboard. We can support for maximum 16 tablets or phones for it. Okay, so we are worldwide doing the global business. If you are interested in our product, please view us at www.donview.com.cn. We are more than pleasure to show you more shining points of our product. Thank you.